Okay, I've covered the best budget gaming PC to buy right now, but what about the rest? Well, here it is. I'm covering the mouse, keyboard, mousepad and monitor in this video. Starting with the mouse. When you think about a gaming mouse, you think RGB, right? Well, wrong. What you need to think about is polling rate. So what is it? Polling rate is basically how fast the laser under your mouse sends data to your computer. Say you have a mouse that has a polling rate of 500 Hz. It sends its data of its position 500 times per second to your computer. Ideally, you want to have a mouse that has a polling rate of 1000 Hz, so I would recommend the ASUS TUF M3 gaming mouse, coming in at a special price of only 350 Rand. This is probably one of the cheapest good mice you could buy right now. I will have links to all the items in the pinned comments below, so you guys can go check it out. I'm not affiliated with Evetech.co.za, but I chose all the products from there because they are a trusted company and it's kind of easier to buy just everything at one place. Moving on to the mousepad. I chose the Evetech LUNAR gaming mousepad for 199 Rand. It's massive with a size of 88.8 by 44 centimeters, so it's gonna fit on your whole desk. For the keyboards, I have 3 options for you. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple, but please remember to like this video first. First, we have the Marvo KG962 wireless for all the small form factor keyboard fans. It has blue switch mechanical keys and only costs 399 Rand right now, which I believe is a steal. For the people who like a little bigger keyboard, I found the Marvo KG953 wireless. It's the same as the 962, but it has dedicated arrow keys and like the home button and stuff. This one is a little bit more expensive at 600 Rand. If you found value so far, please help me reach my goal of getting to 7,000 subs by March by subscribing to this channel. Lastly, also with Marvo, we have the KG880 for the people who don't care too much about getting mechanical keys and want a cool looking full-size keyboard. Well, this one is also 399 Rand. Moving on to the monitor, this is where it gets a little bit more expensive, but investing in a good monitor can give you years of great gaming. For the best middleman monitor, I want to recommend the Cooler Master GA271 27-inch 100Hz QHD, which basically means 2K 1440p or 2560 by 1440. With 100Hz, you get a monitor that can display 100 FPS or frames per second smoothly, and with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, you know that the quality will be awesome for at least a few solid years. I'm just surprised that this monitor only costs like 3,499 Rand. Now for an honorable mention. Here's a cool upgrade kit for not too much. For 3,599, you get the RYZEN 5 Pro 4650G with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a base model AM4 motherboard. You should be able to play some basic games with integrated graphics, if only up until you can get like a decent graphics card. Here's a video where I recommend the best budget gaming PC for you. Enjoy.